Hi everyone, I'm Brad Warga from Gild. We are a SaaS data analytics company in the hiring space. We fundamentally believe hiring is broken. It's costly, inefficient, and underinvested in. And so I saw firsthand in my last role 3 years ago leading recruiting for Salesforce just how inefficient that was. And we started Gild 3 years ago to really apply data analytics, predictive analytics, big data, automation to the hiring process and really change the way that people are discovered and engaged. And so we launched the company initially helping about 400 companies find and engage developers. We actually believe the resume is dead, so we have social aggregation. We were able to go out and crawl the open web and rank 14.5 million developers based on their open source code that we could pull down from GitHub, Bitbucket, Google Code. We also saw tremendous signals from Stack Exchange communities where people were answering technical questions, and we could look at the upvotes on those questions, which gave us a good signal on someone's expertise. And then lastly, we could tell someone's availability by graphing everyone that's ever had that job and how long they stay at a company. Also looking at their individual job-changing history, their LinkedIn activity if they suddenly start to update their profile and they haven't touched it for a year, or we're text mining Twitter and understanding negative sentiment. All those things could allow our customers to actually follow candidates, really understand who they are and what they're good at based on their work product instead of pedigree and where they went to school or where they work. So the fun part of this journey has been finding 14-year-old kids that are outscoring Google engineers based on their open source code. And so that's where we started. We expanded last year to all professions, and we've now built a recommendation engine. So in terms of a company, we look at all of the people you've hired, all of your activity, who you're clicking on, who you like, who makes it through your interview process, and then we can now crawl 150 million people and about as fast as Siri answers a question on your phone, recommend 20 candidates to you for your job, all based on data science and predictive analytics. And so if you think about that, today recruiters are spending hours and hours combing through hundreds of LinkedIn profiles trying to figure out who's good. There's a tremendous amount of guesswork. They're also unintentionally creating bias because you can't look through that many profiles, so you look at education and company as a way, as proxies, to get to the people that you think are good. So we hope to change the world and allow people to be discovered based on their actual work versus just where they went to school. We're backed by Menlo. We have over 350 companies that are using us right now. We've been around for 3 years, but just launched the world's first smart hiring platform last month. So you can see some of the capabilities there. We have the ability to post and distribute jobs in a smart way. We can actually tell you the addressable market, help you build the job description by crawling all of the other job descriptions that are out there. We have a CRM built in. We have video, scheduling. So it's one fully integrated platform that you subscribe to. And what we're seeing with early customers is we're speeding up their hiring process because the recommendation engine can find people and actually help them lower their interview to hire ratio. So they have to interview less people to get the same amount of people hired. More people are passing their technical tests, more people are making it through their cultural fit exercises. We're also increasing recruiter productivity, which is lowering the cost of having to hire recruiters and coordinators in businesses. Lots of really great customers, from large customers that have been with us since the beginning, like Facebook and Amazon, all the way to lots of startups here in the Valley. And any questions, I'd be happy to answer them in the back.